So in this last video series, majorly we see the what is the casting process and what is the forging, how to increase the metal strength by the forging process. But in this series, heat treatment process. Heat treatment process is also one of the metal increasing strength process. So lot of heat treatment processes there. For example, the annealing process, normalizing process, and such a process is the heat treatment process. Heat treatment process is nothing but is a simple process. That is you take the material and open the heat oven or furnace and put into the material to furnace. Simply you heat the material. You fix the temperature, for example, aluminum means 300 or 350 degrees Celsius, that is below recrystallization temperatures. You set the temperature and wait some time. So the some time is not minutes or not seconds, it's hour based, like 8 hours or 7 hours. So this is the calculation based. So in this calculations, the metal is in the intermediate stage, and then I'll switch off the furnace and take the pieces, and suddenly you go to the cooling process. In this cooling process, two categories. One is the normal cooling. Normal cooling means you simply you get it on the workpiece from the furnace and placed on a table or air surfaces. So this is the normal cooling process. But second one is the quenching process. Quenching means is nothing but simply you take down the product from the furnace and put it into the water. So that is a sudden cooling process. So in this sudden cooling process is otherwise called as the quenching process. So these two type of processes they majorly covered in the after finishing the heat treatment process. So in this heat treatment process, the metal strength is highly increased. The metal strength is highly increased. So highly increased means some more recrystallization changes. Already I told in last video series, forging process. Some more meta crystal changes. Definitely the material strength and hardness is the suddenly increased or suddenly decreased. So this is the only important one. So in this heat treatment process, best process is the normalizing process or annealing process is the two best process in the heat treatment process. Before heat treatment process, there is a very important one. The metal is the done by etching process. Oh, so what is etching process? Etching process is nothing but you remove the dust from the surfaces, or you remove the unwanted particles from the materials. So this is one of the best example for the etching process. After the etching process, you directly put into the furnace and heat the material and take the material. You simply put that in air surface, which means is a normal cooling process. As there is a snot process. Is take down the pieces suddenly deeply in the water means it's the quenching process. So definitely the material strength is highly increased. The material strength is highly increased. So next we see the rolling process is also one of the same strengthening process. At the same time, the metal size will be reduced in the rolling processes. So the rolling process is the another stage of the casting forging process. So next video series we see the rolling process. Thank you.